Instagram message statue fail. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram message statue problem. So first thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is just let's wait. Scroll until you find the Instagram app and then click on it like this. Now after you click on the Instagram, this is the app informations page. Right here you will find all the informations. So all what you want to do is click on the storage, click on clear data and then go back, click on the power usage details and make sure to enable the power consumption alert. Go back, click on force stop, and that's it. Last thing you want to do now is make sure to update your Instagram. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.